Before talking about Synapse Xt, I want to say that I left the link to the official website with the description of the video. Never buy this product from any other website. Many people try to sell fake or tampered products. Be very careful. Synapse Xt is a supplement that can be used daily for the benefit of brain health as well as brain connections to ensure the user maintains good hearing as well as other medical conditions. The formula includes several natural ingredients to eradicate and reduce this mysterious health phenomenon. It is an excellent dietary formula that focuses on the root cause of tinnitus. The ingredients in Synapse Xt have been scientifically proven. Its benefits, in addition to health, include cognition, focus, attention, synaptic connections, and memory. This supplement has been tested for its safety and effectiveness. In addition, the supplement is manufactured in GMP-approved manufacturing facilities in the United States. In conclusion, the formula can reduce and prevent tinnitus as it nourishes and maintains the brain and general well-being. From two broad details gathered together, the supplement works naturally to carry out a search for the treatment of the commissure, as well as to adequately demand side effects. Regular use of Synapse Xt will eliminate any nutritional deficiencies present in the body and prompt the brain to heal, eventually resolving tinnitus symptoms. An added benefit is that users experience improved brain function, increased energy levels, improved cognitive function, and increased immunity. But despite all these proven benefits, it's important that you know that each person has a different organism. Even though the supplement has been delivered as promised so far, one cannot ignore the fact that for some people the benefit may not be so great. Therefore, it is important that you test the product and draw your own conclusions. Take advantage of the promotion and access the official website at the video description link.